we are going to do the Chapter 8 Excel application, and it looks like this. We're going to do a download database thingy again, type in some stuff, and then blah, 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 multiple choice. That's question 1. And then question 2 is type in another thing, double check it, multiple choice. And that's the entirety of this thing. That's it. We're done. So you can see that this will be a very quick recording. So I'm just going to do it, and I'm going to I think I'm going to stop recording. Y'all can still call on me if you need to, of course, but then I'll stop and, we can hang out longer if you need help, all that kind of stuff, okay? Good? All right, so download this thingy, and we want to do the enable editing at the very top, as usual. Yep, enable editing. Okay. Plus sign, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, cool. So let's actually read, because reading is cool, right? Yay, we love reading. It says we're talking about the sleep variable. And so I believe that's how many hours of sleep they get on average. And so sleep, there it is, hours. Cool. Wow, someone has 10. That's awesome. But then I also see 5s and stuff like that. 4, there's a 4 right there. Okay, so we're trying to find the confidence interval for something like this. And so we need to find the mean, then we need to go plus and minus, all that kind of stuff, and everything's done in Excel. So first we need to find the average. So here's the average. We're just going to literally type that in and get it. Now, again, I have to delete some of my columns, so I'm not cheating. So it says in F37, you type this. So like you copy and paste it over. So in F37, where's F37? F37, right there. Okay, now I have to delete stuff. I'm going to delete some. I'm going to delete these guys here. Nope, hold on. Yeah, these guys. Good enough. Okay, so in F37, still right there. Paste. Oh yeah, there it is, average. Okay, enter. Boom. Oh, did it not work? Can I not copy paste? I have to, oh, there we go. I had a space in there. Just make sure it's like, it's a formula. You get some numbers. Y'all have a different number than me, correct? But probably something close. Okay, so I'm getting an average about 6.5 hours. It says now go to F38 and type this guy in. Okay, I think I can do that. Copy. Paste it in. You can see I already got the formula right there. So that's the standard deviation. Everyone okay with this so far? You can run around a room anytime. It says now that we have, now we need to find margin of error. And so type this thing in. Okay, so in F39, here we go. That's right here. Paste. I mean, we're good, right? We're good. Okay, good. Okay, good. Yay. So notice that part of the formulas include like these numbers. Like, see, it says F38. That was previous, and all this other stuff. So yeah, it's exactly as it needs to be. All right, so now we need to calculate our mean plus or minus our margin of error. And so this is the margin of error. I'm just going to put my own stuff. This is E, and this is my mean. This is my error. And so what I really want is my mean, just anywhere here, minus my error, and then I want my mean plus my error. I mean, however you want to do this, you can do this on the side, on your phone, whatever. I'm just going to do it here, 6.5416 plus 0.47489. We can be more accurate, but I think we're just multiple choice in here in a second. So there's this guy. Did I do it wrong? Oh, I did a plus, not a minus. I said minus, I didn't do minus. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to do the same thing with a plus. 6.54167 plus 0.47489. Okay. Y'all have different numbers than me? But similar? Okay. Cool. all okay? Like we can talk right now. I can run around the room. You're good? I mean, literally, I'm looking at like 6 people, so I'm making sure that all 6 of you are okay. Good? Good? I'm coming. I'm coming. That's what I'm here for. Very good. So yeah, let me just like recap here. So I just see, you can see I have my average, and then I have my standard deviation, and then this was that confidence interval. Literally just copy paste. Cool. Excellent. From there, I just went plus and minus my mean and error. So they're not wanting us to upload this. They just want to say, can you get these numbers? And so I'm going to side by side it with the chapter application right now. And maybe I could just look at it and get some answers. Okay. Okay, so select what's appropriate. So confidence interval is between 6.13 and 7.0. That's pretty close for me, but not exactly. This one here is even, it's a little bit further for me. 5.51, mine's not even close to that. Okay, it says we can be confident, and something else about students. So I think what they're wanting is like, I don't know what you would call it, like it's multiple answers. And so we're going to click one and click another thing. I'm going to click the ones that are closer for me. And for me, it's this guy. Again, you can have something else. I don't know. The other one I think that we can all agree on. So we can be 95% confident about the average of this for all students. That's pretty good. Let's just triple check ourselves, okay? We can be 95% confident again for the sample. We already had the sample. That was I'm 100% confident about the sample. I want to know about all the population. And then 95% of students, blah, blah, blah. No, that's not even confidence interval. So definitely, okay, okay, I have to click like multiples. There we go. Again, I don't know. I actually have like the real numbers though. Okay, good. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. You good now? These guys. I looked at this one and this one. See, I have my mean and my error. And so I just said this number minus this, and then this number plus that. And so I just put it over here, 6 minus the 0.5 and 6 plus. Cool. Very good question. Ow, we're good. We're good. That was my knee. That's why we have knee bones. Kneecap bones? Okay. Is there a technical Latin name for that? Do you know it? Me neither. Well, I never took a class on it, so I don't know. Okay, cool. All right, so now it says for second part 2, I guess, we're going to do this confidence. I'm going to put it into F40, which is right here. So this guy right here. Paste it in. Patella? Patella. Oh, patella. Okay. It's not like a foul word that I'm saying, right? I am recorded. That's funny. So I don't know why it's not working. There we go. I had a space in mind. So this is a different kind of confidence interval. They're talking about 99 versus 95. And so this is an error, I guess, my other error. And so what I want to do now is just go plus and minus that amount. So 6.5416 minus the 63 now, 6375. And the same thing over here. I'm going to go, I need a little bit more room. I'm sorry, guys. Here we go. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to do the 6.54167 plus the 0.63756, whatever, doesn't matter. Multiple choice. Okay. So I'm now looking for this confidence kind of interval. So 5.9 to 7.2. This is going to be the closest for me. I don't know if that's the closest for you. And then 95% confident about, again, all, each, every, all population. That's what I'm going to click for that one. And that's it. That was the entire thing. I almost want to do some more, but you know, it's, well, you know what kind of day it is right now, so that's okay. And we're not super ahead, but ahead enough. Then y'all are gonna know, so I can't do that. Y'all have any questions? I can come run around the room again. No? Okay. So just while I'm being recorded, now I can tell you this. My other 2 algebra classes today, we had a work day, so I've literally not done my job at all today. So I didn't teach anything today. So I guess we're just doing what they're doing. I'm gonna stop the recording, I guess. If y'all are good, I can't hit submit because then y'all might know what the answers are. So I'm done.